but the way that they felt it,
different.
completely different. If a vocal coach or a singing video says you should feel this sound buzzing right here or here, but instead you feel it here and here, no worries, you're not broken. Here's a short bit from a real singing lesson with Alexis to explain how singing should really feel.
Do you like
So now-
visualize the sound like circle backwards? Is it
If-
like if you can describe the sound, right? The air, is it like a backwards like that?
Okay, so this is an interesting thing. They did research where they let many different singers do the same sound and then
Describe.
ask them how does it feel? Yeah, describe how it feels. And they all agreed they were doing the same thing audibly, but the way that they felt it, completely different. So some
Oh.
say, I feel it here, I feel it here, I feel it here, I feel it here. Some say, I feel nothing. So the way that I try to work with this is when we get a sound that works for you and you like it, then I can ask you, how does that feel for you? And if for you it feels like this, then you can use that in the future to get the same result. For me, it will feel a bit different. For someone else, it will feel a bit different again. So I will not tell you, this is how it feels, because I don't know how it feels for you.
Right.
But if we find a sound that you like, and I like, and we're happy with,
yeah.
and you notice, but this to me feels like this, perfect.
Yeah.
Use it, because then next time when you want to do that, you can think about this and it'll come. I hope that clarified some things, and after watching this session, you should feel an urge to learn more, and maybe a slight tingling sensation in your fingers guiding your hand towards the description of this video, where you can get access to my free ABC Voice Model mini course, which will help you become your own vocal coach and fix your own challenges. If you don't feel that sensation, you might just be the person who needs to book a private session with me directly. If you want to, link in description. And if you enjoyed this video, I think you'll enjoy that one as well.